Hey everybody, it's JP from Soap Free Procyon, and I am sitting outside where I hope all of you are going to be spending some time. We have hit the summer months, and I don't know about you, but I am ready for some warm, beautiful weather and enjoying the great outdoors, barbecuing, spending time with friends and family. So here I am setting the mood for us in my backyard today. Wanted to remind you of a couple of things as we tend to our homes in the summer month. First of all, do remember that 85% of that dirt is within 15 feet of the front and back door of your house. So it's a good time to remember to regularly vacuum your homes. And the professionals already know this, but I'll remind you that forward is the positioning stroke for your vacuum. Pulling back slowly is the cleaning stroke. So position quickly, but pull it back slowly. Keep those areas close to your front and back doors swept or vacuumed so that you can enjoy keeping your home cleaner, not having it tracked further in. The other thing I want to remind you about is it's a great time of year to have your cleaning professional come to your home, make sure they're using Soap Free Procyon to wash your carpets. And yes, just like Ivan used to say, we prefer to say wash instead of shampoo, because shampoo refers to putting soaps and suds in your hair or in your carpet. And we don't want that because that leaves the R word, that leaves residue. And residue is sticky, and all of that loose particulate dirt can become adhered to your carpet fibers and your fabric. And so we do not want to put soapy sticky in the rug. You want soap-free, odor-free Procyon. The other part of that that's important for your health is this is barefooting season. I'm going to be spending a lot of time either barefoot or in flip-flops. And when we are walking on our carpets, we want to make sure that they have nothing besides a natural ingredient, environmentally friendly, human safe product in them, or to be cleaned with it, because when it's all out of there, that way when you're stepping on it, your skin is not absorbing chemicals. If you put in the caustic chemicals that are found in name brand cleaners, and the way to test it is shake that bottle, and if you can't hear anymore after a few shakes, you know it's full of suds, it's full of chemicals. Those chemicals end up being conveyed through your skin, the largest organ on your entire body. It conveys it into your bloodstream, and we don't need those chemicals there. So make sure to get your carpets washed with Soap Free Procyon by your carpet cleaning professional. Okay, now a little inspiration, and on the theme of kindness, I was fortunate enough to hear John Schnatter, who became a little bit controversial, but he is the founder of Papa John's Pizza, at a commencement address at his alma mater, Ball State University in Indiana. And I love this. He said, "Get up, be nice, kick ass, and repeat." That was his advice to my daughter, who was graduating at the time back in 2015. So to repeat, apply this in your life, and I think you'll find success and some happiness. Get up, be nice, kick ass, repeat. I'm going to try to do that today. And then I think I've shared this one more time, but as we go into summer and it's time to be face to face with a lot of the people we enjoy and love, and also for your carpet cleaning professionals, our customers and our customers themselves, do all the good you can by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as you ever can. Thank you to John Wesley, who penned that many years ago. So that's it. A little bit of cleaning information, a little bit of exhortation to be healthy and happy. And this is JP from Soap Free Procyon wishing you a wonderful summer. If you need our products, look at Soap Free Procyon, PROCYON.com. You can also reach us at 1-800-PROCYON, PROCYON. I'll see you in a few months. Enjoy.